Today we're biking from Ludington to home, 130 miles. My parents are stopping about every 25 to sponsor us with food, and they're also hauling our gear. As you can see, we have unloaded. We just have like a couple water bottles. So.
Like, it was nuts.
I'm stretching my butt. Quote of the day. Country road, take me home! Okay. We've been on the road for about 2 seconds. We're walking across a construction bridge. Oh, yeah. Oh, Ellen. Oh, goodness. Look at Dad's got some Twizzlers. I'm really excited for an egg burrito. It is 9:15 in the morning and we are 30 miles in. We woke up at 5:30, ate at 6. We had some cereal and fruit. Here's Mom. Yeah. Woo! Today is sponsored by Mama Linda.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. So delicious. I'm so excited. Hey, looking for fruit.
Yeah, but they just said it's...
For lunch, Mom has us having cold cut sandwiches, watermelon, don't mind if I do. Some chips. We're at an awesome park in Everett, Michigan. We are just over halfway. My legs are, I don't know, they're feeling it. They're for sure feeling it. They're getting tired. We're about 65 miles in, about 65 to go. Life is good. It's not too hot, very sunny, no rain. Let's just keep trucking. Mom thinks that this would be an awesome retirement job for her to just go around, cook food for bikers. And I mean, she does a great job. So let me know below if you think she should take this on.
Do it. Did the garage sale?
I knew you would garage sale today.
4 games that.
Okay, we've made it on the rail trail. It starts being pavement in Everett, Michigan. We will see if it stays. Whoa! That was a big bump.
Just like moved on. Like, it was nuts. I was like, dude, are you serious?
We turned some music on, now we're just jamming. 45 miles to go. Cranking.
Annie, your calves are sweating.
Thank you! I bet yours are too!
Oh, I'm having so much fun. I was made for this.
Whoa!
Go look in the bucket.
Shout out to Mom for always bringing us food.
rock.
We are in Clare, Michigan, about 30 miles to go. Oh my gosh, yes! Their garlic pretzels, my favorite. This is the 4:15
Oh, I don't know if he waved
snack.
or if he just saw you.
We are over 100 miles in, and this is the boys. They are just fooling around. It's fun. Wait. Yeah, life goes on. 15 miles to go.
You guys can
Right now we're having some cherries Ellen is absolutely just dying. John Mark, how are you doing? And John Mark has a thumbs up. We have some friends over there who met us.
I feel like you guys should know, right? That when you get to Kent Road.
Hit some minor construction, but just going around it. We're 14 miles away from home, so 1 more hour. We've biked about 115 so far today. So we are 2 miles away. Oh my gosh, we are booking it. We are going so fast right now. The adrenaline is high, but I do live on a gravel road, so we have a mile of gravel. Woo! And it's mine. Hi, Jersey boy! Hi, Jersey boy! We're home. We are literally home. Oh, Little Hampton! Oh, it's okay, buddy. Aw, don't run away. Hi, Jersey boy. Come here, Jersey boy. You know me. Hi, love.
Oh boy.
Hi.
Little Hampton.
He's so cute.
You have a new friend. Oh, Hampton, you're gonna love
You're
these
so
girls.
Cute.
Oh yeah.
Hampton. Good boy. Good boy. We're going swimming now. Yeah, you jump in too, Hampton. Jump in.
I am amazed and I'm very proud of these kids.
Aw.